Hi everyone, I'm Devika Jaisingh and you're watching me on Femina.in. Well, winters and hot chocolate go hand in hand together. Today I'll be showing you 3 different types of hot chocolate recipe. Until then, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to Femina.in. We'll add powdered sugar, corn flour and cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. Let's sieve it first. Once it's done, discard this part. Mix everything together. Add shredded dark chocolate. Mix again and store it in an airtight container. To prepare it, take a cup, add 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix, add steamed milk, mix everything well and top it with your favorite marshmallows. In a bowl, we'll add melted dark chocolate. To this we'll add coffee powder, cocoa powder, vanilla extract and powdered sugar. Let's mix this. Batter is completely mixed. Now you'll get a lumpy batter like this. Take a spoon and add it to a desired mold. Add around 2 tablespoons of batter, add some marshmallows and some sprinkles. Lastly, top it up with a stick and let it freeze for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, the stick is completely setted. Take a cup, add around 200 ml of hot milk, add the stick and stir it. Remove the stick and top it with your favorite chocolate stick and enjoy. In a saucepan, add half cup of milk and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Add around half cup of fresh cream. To this, we'll be adding dark chocolate, powdered sugar, cocoa powder and we'll mix it. Once everything is mixed, we'll add in the crushed biscuit powder and we'll mix again. We'll let the mixture come to a boil and serve it. A super thick and creamy hot chocolate is ready to be served. We'll top it up with whipped cream, some Oreo crumbs. Chocolate is ready to be served.